Utilizing my previous bot, the line tracker, I turned it into the chassis for my recycling robot. After a few quick value changes, the line tracker bot was able to complete the new course with the black tarp and white tape. Unfortunately, with my confidence in my robot, I did not get a video of it tracking the line all the way around the track. To give myself more mounting space, I added a plate to the top with bracers. This allowed me to fit any contraption I wished to put onto my line tracker bot, mainly the claw, the conveyor belt, and the sorting teeter-totter. Beginning with the claw, I knew I was going to need a decent gear ratio to lift the weight of the claw and the can. To get the claw to close, I simply mounted a servo with a small gear train. By mounting the ultrasonic sensor on the bottom of the claw, I didn't have to worry about the claw actually setting off the ultrasonic sensor itself. The claw's operation was intended to bring the can up to the conveyor belt that I mounted directly behind it. Keeping wires tucked away was one of my bigger concerns so they didn't get snagged. Using the combination of a limit switch and a line tracker, I was able to let my bot know whether the can was white or black. When the limit switch was tripped, it would tell the line tracker to actually take the value and then send that to the sorting servo. The actual sorting servo was a really simplex design. I modeled it after a teeter-totter off of a playground just by simply mounting a plate to an axle and putting a servo on it. I mounted buckets to the side for a quick grab of the can after the teeter-totter would knock it off to the left or to the right, whether it was black or white. We were very lucky to have a VEX shield for our project, created by Krumchansky in 2015. This made easy connections between VEX parts and an Arduino Mega. Because my line tracker program stopped working at last minute, I only made a video of it sorting the cans between black and white. One thing I could change about this task is the amount of time that I spent on it. I did put a good bit of time, every class period I did show up. I did show up one day extra. However, I wish I did show up a few more extra days just to get the finishing touches and get it to fully be completed.